joining hands with Brihat Bengaluru Mahanagara has set up a 100 beds community COVID care center at the Karnataka Institute of Endocrinology and Research Center situated in C.V. Raman Nagar, Bangalore. And this center is also supported from IKEA India. In spite of severe shortage of manpower owing to the pandemic, Olvo completed this project overcoming all the odds. Thanks to Olvo's employees who volunteered to help coordinate the logistics and getting some of the items from IKEA and assembling it themselves and setting up the bedding at the said facility. The facility is built keeping in mind the fact that the patient should not only get the necessary care but also receive emotional support fight off the disease. Shri S. Raghu, Honorable Member of the Legislative Council of Karnataka, and Mrs. Pallavi, Joint Commission East BBMP, has provided the necessary support to the Olvo team for execution of the project. The facility was inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Shri B.S. Yediyurappa, on 21st May 2021. Speaking on the occasion, he appreciated the efforts of Olvo India in joining hands with the government to effectively tackle the second wave of COVID-19. He also opined that this facility would well to those without serious COVID-19 symptoms but require isolation.
Olvo Group ಹಾಗೂ IKEA ಕಂಪನಿ ಬೃಹತ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ಸಹಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ 100 ಹಾಸಿಗೆಗಳ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಕೇರ್ ಸೆಂಟರನ್ನು ಇದು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸೇರಿ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಸಾಂಕ್ರಾಮಿಕ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಕೈಜೋಡಿಸಲು ಮುಂದಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸ್ವಾಗತಾರ್ಹ. ಓಲ್ವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಹಾಗೂ IKEA ಕಂಪನಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಮಲ್ ಬಾಲಿ, President and MD of Olva Group India, for the benevolent deed. The government of Karnataka is appreciative of the support by Olva in these difficult times. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.
Shri V. Somanna, the State Housing Minister of Karnataka, graced the occasion and expressed his happiness and thanked Olvo India for its commitment to helping the needy in such a dire situation. Also present on the occasion was Shri P.C. Mohan, Honorable Member of the Parliament, who thanked Olvo India for providing a fillip to the government's efforts by providing a care centre with oxygen concentrators. Shri S. Raghu opined that this facility would be of great help to the citizens of East Bangalore and would go on to be a model one at that.
ಇವತ್ತು ಬರೀ ಇದು 40 ಬೆಡ್ ಓಲ್ವೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಸರ್ ಅವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ 100 ಬೆಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 140 ಬೆಡೆಡ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಕೇರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್. ಇದು ಬಹುಶಃ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾದರಿ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಕೇರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಜಂಟಿ ಆಯುಕ್ತರು ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಅವರು, ಅವರ ತಂಡ, ಇಡೀ ತಂಡ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅನೇಕರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಓಲ್ವೋ, ನಮ್ಮ GV ರಾವ್ ಅವರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅನಂತ ಅವರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Shri Kamal Pali, President and Managing Director of Olvo India, thanked the government for its support and cooperation in executing this project. He also appreciated the CSR volunteers of Olvo for their contribution in realizing this facility. Mr. Bali also thanked the efforts of the hospital staff, including the doctors and the paramedical staff, for playing Corona warriors in spite of obvious risk to their health.
And I would also like to thank Ms. Pallavi to begin with, the Joint Commissioner BBMP, who has been really working head to head and with our team to make this happen. And last but not the least, our other partners, Esther, PCMC, everyone, and the Volvo COVID warriors who have been working here day and night for last 10 days. Sir, today is a day of great joy and fulfillment. Today actually the country is seeing a second surge of COVID which has been unprecedented. And sir, I can tell you that any such surge can make the ecosystem, the healthcare ecosystem, completely overwhelmed in any part of the world. Thank you team Volvo, thank you IKEA, thank you Rajiv, thank you everyone. Thank you, Mr. Gaurav.
Also present on the occasion was Shri Gaurav Gupta, Chief Commissioner of BBMP, and Mr. G.V. Rao, CSR Director of Olvo Group and Head of COVID Care CSR Project, who was driving the whole COVID Care projects. Mr. Lakshmi Narayana Hegde, Company Secretary and Legal Head of Olvo Group, and Mr. Indu Shekhar, Head of Operational Development, Olvo Construction Equipments Division.
From Volvo Group side, we are very glad to be, associated with all our partners, including the BBMP, IKEA, Ayurved, Aster Labs, and the PCMH. Especially today, I would like to thank all our COVID warriors who are present here. See, almost close to 10 of us, we have been working for the last 2 weeks, more or less 24/7, to see that this setup, comes up. Thank you very much, team. I'm really proud of all of you. Thank you.
After a couple of weeks, Mr. G.V. Rao, CSR Director, along with the other colleague of Olvo Group, Ms. Tejaswini, entered the COVID Care Center facility by wearing the PPE kit for interaction with patients and staff members to take their feedback and inspect the services offered inside the COVID Care Center.
బాడీలో తెలుస్తుంది కదా మీకు
మంచి మెడిసిన్ ఇస్తారు మా ఇంటర్ అంతా ఇలా ఉంది బట్ ఇంత ఫెసిలిటీ లేదు ఎక్కడ లేదు ఇంత బాగా ఫెసిలిటీ ఉంది ఇక్కడ
అన్ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తాను నేనే అంతా కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాను అందరూ డాక్టర్స్ కూడా నేనే అపాయింట్ చేస్తాను అన్ని కూడా
ఓల్వో అండ్ బీజేపీ ఇద్దరికి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పాలి
వాళ్ళతో కలిసేసి పెట్టాము అది
మీకు థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పాలి మేము అలాగే డాక్టర్స్ డ్యూటీని
అరేంజ్ సెట్ చేసినందుకు మీకు థ్యాంక్స్
చెప్పాలి
గుడ్ డైరెక్షన్ కరోనా వన్ ఆఫ్ ది బెస్ట్ హాస్పిటల్ ఇన్ బెంగళూరు I thankful to Volvo and Yediyurappa.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ எப்படி இருக்கீங்க ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ நல்லா பண்றீங்களா டைம்க்கு எல்லாம் வந்துட்டீங்களா அப்புறம் இது மெடிசின்ஸ் எல்லாம் டைம்க்கு கொடுத்துறா கரெக்டாக கொடுத்துருங்க ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೋತ್ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೌದಾ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಲಿನೆಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ ಹಾಂ ಹೌದಾ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅವರು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಾ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸು ನರ್ಸಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಿದ್ದಾರಾ ಹೌದಾ ಫುಡ್ಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೌದಾ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಫುಡ್ಡಿಂದ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕು ಆ ಥರ ಏನಿಲ್ವಾ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ನರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಊಟ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಏನೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲ್ ಸೂಪರಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್
11 ದಿವಸ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನರ್ಸು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಊಟ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಟೀ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀರು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದಕ್ಕೂ ಎಲೋಪತಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎರಡೂ ಸೇರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಔಷಧಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾವ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಏನು ಎತ್ತ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಗಮನಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಊಟ ಸಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ನೀರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಬಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಬೆಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗಿಸಿ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗಳ ಥರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಾಣಂತಿಗಳ ಥರ ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದಿಕ್ ಬೇಕು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೆಡಿಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎರಡೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಆರೈಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರಿಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
This effort of Olvo India has received appreciation from all sections and also reiterates Olvo's commitments to the community.
Coming up with this most innovative, path-breaking COVID care center, where we offer the best of Ayurveda and the best of modern medicine in a very systematic, evidence-based way, in the best interests of patients. We are very thankful to Volvo, who has sponsored this project, to BBMP and the government of Karnataka for this support. And we look forward to working very closely with our partners, PCMH Restore Health. Thank you.
To medically manage this COVID care center, we are grateful to the support from Volvo, IKEA, BBMP, the government of Karnataka, and Aster Labs towards this venture.
They all have done a very wonderful job here. They have saved so many lives, and they all have done great job. I'm happy for that. Let's hope for next wave should not come, so that we'll be in a good thing, because after 2 waves it is very horrible to handle it again. But you all have handled it well in this CCC. Great place we got, and thank you for the support from Volvo Group also.
I would be ever grateful to the Volvo company and its stakeholders over here, not on the behalf of BBMP, but on behalf of all those patients who trusted BBMP and who walked into your CCC. They've been taken care of very well. We could see every time there was a patient, my doctors used to put on the pic in the group or personally send it to me. This is something that is very heart touching, and I know the amount of interest that Volvo has taken in terms of let it be plant sampling program or especially medically also. Tumba interest, it was that it doesn't come just with the profession, you need to put your heart into it. That is what I could see here compared to all the other CCCs. They're also doing well, but really the human touch they had, every time the patient comes, they were asking for food, for coffee, tea, all that. So they were totally, they had accepted the patients as their own. Thank you so much to the entire Volvo team.